Welcome to the Silk Scarf Project. Very excited to have you on board, and here are the rules. You are an artist or an entrepreneur who'd love to pamper her clients with a silk scarf. I'm Julia Antofia, fashion inventor and manufacturer, 15 years in business, and your mentor on this wonderful journey. You are the one who will be designing your scarf, and I am the one who will be making your scarf. The first decision you have to make is what silk scarf would you love to manufacture? A small one, 55 centimeters square or 21 2/3 inches square. A large one, 110 centimeters square or 43 1/3 inches square. Or a large right angle scarf, the most exciting of all, 110 centimeters by 190 centimeters or 43 1/3 inches by 74 4/5 inches. Your decision heavily depends on what you are going to use your silk scarf for. If you're an artist and you want to create more awareness for your art, a small square scarf that can be worn as a belt, as a headdress, as a triangle top, or as a neck deco is your choice. A 21 2/3 inches square silk scarf is very affordable in retail. Makes your clients purchase your art on the silk scarf first and later on canvas. Of course, as an artist, you can opt in for larger formats as well. My favorite format is the large right angle scarf that can be worn in more than 10 different ways, as dresses, tops, skirts, and of course as a full scarf. Imagine your art presented on such a wonderful product. If you are an entrepreneur who'd love to give a nice swag to her clients, something your clients would wear and think of you, think of your brand, a small square silk scarf is a perfect choice as well. Again, it can be worn as a headdress, as a belt, as a triangle top, or as a neck decoration. If you are a fashion designer, I'd say the large right angle scarf is your choice. It is a nice full scarf that you can wear all year round. Silk is a great material. It keeps you cool in the summer and warm in the winter. And of course, you can wear it as a full scarf, as all those different dresses, all those different skirts, and all those different tops. Based on the size of your scarf, we have 3 packages for you to choose from: the small square, the large square, and the large right angle. You receive respectively 50 small square, 25 large square, or 20 large right angle scarves, depending on what package you opt in for. Once you confirm your package, you receive an email with the link to our Facebook group. We communicate through the project in this group. First, you learn how to select an art piece for your scarf. We will show you where you can purchase an art print for your scarf. And of course, if you're an artist, you will be using your own art. You will provide your artwork to us as a picture in 300 dpi resolution or as a vector file, including your brand logo. We will help you put your art into the scarf format. Upon confirmation of the scarf artwork, we will print the first sample on the 100% silk twill. Silk twill is the best choice for silk scarves. It has nice structure and looks premium. All scarves are finished with the luxury rolled edge. Once the sample is done, we send you a picture of the product by email and the physical sample by express to your doorstep. Once you receive your sample, you confirm it for bulk and we print your scarves. From the very moment when you get your sample in your hands, you can start pre-selling your product. This is very exciting. Once we finish the bulk, your scarves are shipped to you by sea to minimize carbon footprint. You don't need to do anything, just wait till they arrive. Shipment is included into the price of the package. To make it easier for you to budget for the project, we offer a 2-month payment plan for all 3 packages. After you have got your silk scarves, in the case that you need replenishment, simply drop us an email to support@quantumfactory.net and reorder. These are, in a nutshell, the rules of the Silk Scarf Project. It is fantastic as is, however, I have a great incentive for you to join today. The first 5 people who join receive 3 months access to our Fashion Business Mastermind, a mentorship program that helps you quit fear, gain clarity, and streamline your fashion business. In the 3 months of this program, you will do more for your business than you have done in the past 3 years. To join the Silk Scarf Project, follow the link in the description, pick your package, join the group, and start rolling. If you want your silk scarves to be produced for free, get 10 friends into the project. Every friend joining the project brings you a 10% discount. Wear your passion. Julia Antofiev.